Welcome to this session on the PowerPack for Advanced Steel, where we're taking a look at our multi-grid level tool and a new feature that we've added within this version. So let's first of all just adjust our grid sizes here to make it slightly bigger. So just entering within the dialog, it's changing within the model itself there. The new element I wish to show you is called sub-axes. This is a new page and new elements that have been added into the dialog for this version. You can enable a sub-axis by checking a box here. You can use the main grid label if required. You can also enter a prefix value in here. So if you wish to do that, you can put, for example, a letter in. And similarly here, you can put a slightly different one in there. So you now see that this content is added into the label here that you see within the dialog. Also, you can resize the main dialog itself to see the other sub-axes here. We can obviously introduce this one on this side, do exactly the same thing. For example, we might want a prefix there, and we might want to put a suffix there and put B. We might want to come back into here. So you can change and edit this as you like, just by pressing enter on the keyboard. Similarly, the same option applies within the grid structure here as well, enabling the main grid label, and obviously you can change how you put the text in here, so you can manually add those elements if required. Also, you'll notice that you can control the position of this, so you can adjust this measurement in here. So if we adjust this bigger, we'll see that that grid moves over. We can also adjust the axis length as well. So if we change that in there, we can see that the axis actually changes its length. And obviously the same is available under these elements here, and obviously within the y-axis. Also, the sub-axis elements work within the levels feature here of the PowerPack. So you can come in, activate those. You can obviously interact and change the grid level colors if you require. And you'll notice here that there is also an option to disable the sub-axis within a particular grid level via this checkbox here. And obviously if you decide you want it back on, just recheck it and it will reappear. So that's the sub-axis available as part of the PowerPack for Advanced Steel.